guys, welcome back to another episode on Chill Gold on the Food Show. This is where food gets exciting, you know. So today what we are going to make is one of my children's favorite sweets, and that is cake. Very easy, so nice, so fluffy. You are going to like it, and these are all the recipe. So let me quickly introduce you to the recipe, and let me start from the pan. Yes, we are going to use a paper wax. So my vegetable oil is 120 ml. My milk is 120 ml. My sugar is 160 grams. My flour is My flour is 200 grams. And this is my egg, guys. I have 12 eggs here, so I separate the yolk from the white so that I can whisk the white, and that's all. So I have a lemon here. I'm going to do 15 ml of lemon in it. You see as it goes. And this is my condensed milk. See, this is my flavor. I'm just about to brand it. So that's the pan I'm going to pour it in. It has already been laced with paper wax. Is it paper wax or paper glocks? Paper wax. Yes, paper wax. It has already been glazed. So let's go. You see? Check it out, guys. Oh, yay. Yay, this one is fluffy, honey. Oh. Let me be the first taster. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's nice, honestly. This is a snack. This is a sweet you will love to want to have all day. Very fluffy, light, and easy to make. Kindly show us love by subscribing, push the notification button, so that when I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay. So right about now, I always have this person in this house that loves snacks so much. She's going to come around now to come and taste it. So I am going to call gorgeous baby sweetie. This is my daughter, Sophia Senga. Oh, baby! Oh, it's not far. Taste it. This stuff,
I can't even wait to taste it. I already know this is gonna taste so good. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
You're welcome.
It tastes so fluffy and spongy, and this is amazing.
So guys, thank you for watching today's episode of the Food Show. Please kindly subscribe, share, like, and press the notification button so that when I upload any new video, you will be notified. And just for you to know, this is Gold and Goldmine Aroma, where food comes exciting. We're going to bring you a whole lot of content here. And guys, you are going to enjoy all the way. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye.